Here's one with a little old school street rod look to it. 1950 Ford Tudor sedan. Powered by a flathead V8 underneath the hood. And that is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission and overdrive. Take a look at the chrome and bright work on the front of this car. Really set off with that black paint. Paint does show well in this one, as you can see, nice shine to it. Side mounted spotlights. Check out all the still pictures to be able to see the interior, engine bay, undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. Down in the description, there's a link. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on wide white wall radials. Wheel covers. One little small mark right here. But overall for black paint, again, it shows well, but it is black. You may find an imperfection here or there. Lake pipes, again, for that old school street rod or hot rod look. Interior, a medium gray, cloth and vinyl combo. Good looking interior. Stock looking dash. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run. It's a good sounding car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Fender skirts. Coming around to the rear, you can see dual exhaust. Again, chrome looks good in the rear also. Another thing to remember is we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come check this car out. Maybe you can't make it due to time or distance on your own. Not a problem. We, again, have an open door policy for those guys. So take a look down the driver's side, and you can see this isn't full of nicks, dings, or scratches either. Paint has a nice shine to it. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This was actually owned by a gentleman who unfortunately passed. Was in his collection for quite some time. These vehicles are always nicer, and he had them out driving them. All right, door panels. And take a little closer look at the seat. A little spot where it looks like it had just a little bit of a mending job to it. Nothing that's gonna affect how that seat works or anything, and it's not going anywhere. Looks good. 6-volt system yet, of course, overdrive right here. I actually had the radio power up in this, but I did not get any reception with it, just so you know. So I'll turn the key here. Let's go ahead and push start button over on this side. Fires right up. Get a good look at the dash, nice shape also. What the headliner. Looks good, and I noticed how this door closed earlier. Watch how nice and easy. Door closes, fits tight. Doesn't take much to swing it to latch it at all. Nice deep little rumble coming out of that flatty. This one will definitely turn some heads. Local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. It's always been a popular body style. It's one of those that you don't break the bank if you want to get into the classic car hobby. Like I said, do some of those roll-ins, cruise-ins, and you don't have to pay 40, 50, 60, upwards of $100,000 for something you can drive and have fun. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped and check out the engine bay. Here you get a good look at the underside of the hood and the engine bay. Battery cover right there. There's your 6-volt battery. There's the battery disconnect. Want to store it at all? That is wood underneath. Not going to cause any problems there. Smooth ride. Good looking engine bay. And stick around to the end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, let you see what it's like going down the road, kind of take a virtual ride in it, if you will. It's a 1950 Ford Tudor Sedan. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1950 Ford Tudor sedan. Looking good in black with a lot of chrome. We have the chrome spotlights on the side. This is a manual transmission on the column. Three-speed on the tree. There is an overdrive lever under the dash. Very smooth running flathead V8 in this car. Shifts feel nice, clutch feels nice. Good acceleration as you would expect. I have some noise from the radio. It does power up. I haven't picked up a station yet. Windshield wipers do function. Our fuel gauge is showing half of a tank. The oil pressure does not register on the gauge. Battery gauge is a little over half, and the temperature is a little under half. So those gauges are working well. A little bit of slack in the steering. If I let go of the wheel, this car will move a little bit to the right. That could be just a tire. Nice. Looks like recovered, nice bench seat in this car. Let's put her in second for the roundabout here. Leans a little in the corners as you would expect. Nice cornering though. Classic 50s sound, that rumble from this flathead V8.